Okay, so on a previous video, I talked about this thing called Sora AI made by OpenAI, and it allows you to generate videos from text prompts. And this is something that I did want to try out, but I don't know if there's a way that you could just try it out yet. However, there is a service that I have used before called InVideo. And now they've introduced creating videos with text prompts with AI. Before, it did not have this feature, but now we're going to try it out. This is my very first time trying this out, so I don't know if it's going to work. It says premium AI. It's giving me the ability to type in a text prompt. So let's go ahead and type something in. I'm not sure if this is going to make any sense, but I'm going to do this. Let me see. Ninja. I love ninjas. Let's say cooking breakfast. It's going to be really weird, but I just want to see what it does. On a boat in the ocean. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh man, I'm kind of excited, but kind of like freaked out to see how this might look like. Man, and AI, it's getting wild, but you could see where this could go to a lot of pretty much unlimited possibilities. Some of which, well, it's going to be really, really weird and probably fun at the same time. So I don't know how long this is going to take. So if it takes too long, I'll probably cut this video to get to the part where the video is created. So let's see what we can find here. Okay, so it has all this other stuff. Audience, foodies, epic. I'm just going to leave it the defaults right now. I just want to see how it looks like. This is going to be wild. If this works even mildly good, then you might be seeing more of these AI videos on this channel just for me to have fun, but also learn how to use this and experiment, because eventually at some point, all of us are going to have to be good with using these AI-based tools, especially with creating prompts that actually, create something that looks really cool. And right now, as far as I could tell, you can remove watermarks during export. I don't know how long this thing is going to be free. More than likely, very similar to what OpenAI does, it allowed you to use a lot of these free features without the added additional features for paying members. And so more than likely, this is probably what it's going to do here. Oh, wow. It even has synthesizing voice as well. Okay, I didn't ask for that, but it'd be really interesting to see. The sizzle bacon. Okay. Oh, music too. Wow. Finalizing the pancake. Okay. Okay, so it's at 15%. All right, so just gonna wait till this gets done, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's done. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the music, but I don't have it set up to get this music, so let's see what happens. All right, it says hardware acceleration is disabled. Okay, let me turn on my hardware acceleration, and we'll be right back. I have to do this on my browser. Okay, so I have turned hardware acceleration on. Let's see if this works, or maybe I have to refresh it. Let me refresh it. See if this works. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's narration. All right, this is really slow. So I'm gonna try to export this, and we'll be right back with the actual video. Let's see what happens. Okay, if you don't want the watermarks, you have to upgrade to the plan. Okay, what is this? All right, I just want to see how this looks like, so I'm going to go ahead and export this. All right, so now I have the video downloaded right here. It's about 210 megs. Let's check it out. All right. So there is some branding here, watermarks. It's a blade wielded with the same precision and skill with which our ninja would disarm an enemy. Okay. Today, the target is not an adversary. It's an orange. The fruit splits open, revealing Huh. Okay, so this is long, but it's about 2 minutes, but I just want you to see this whole AI generated video. So if you did want to skip this and get my overall thoughts, you could skip ahead in the video, but I just want to see what this AI video is producing. And obviously all these brands, iStock, Storyblocks, and so forth, these are other companies, other services you can use. So yeah, there's a business partnership here. Okay. uh, I I really want to say something right now, but I just want to watch this whole thing first. Okay. So that was the whole video generated by AI. So what are my thoughts on it? Well, I have used this before to actually edit a video through AI, and my thoughts were like, it's cool, but honestly, you're going to have to go in and edit it anyway. And so, at least for me, AI video editing is not the way I would go, unless you're okay with it just randomly generating whatever. Now, with this new text to video, my feelings are kind of the same right here. I am really amazed that it was able to produce something just through my text prompts and also the narration in a British voice. That was really, really cool. But in terms of everything else, it's just randomly picking out things that are available in iStock or Storyblocks and just putting it together. It'll basically take the text prompts you have and it'll do a search on these images and any meta tags that it has, and that's how it's able to get related type images and videos. But at the end of the day, at least right now, and at least for this company in video, I don't think this would be a great thing for you to use to generate your videos without probably having to go in and do multiple text prompts or even bring it into a video editor and do some additional editing so then you could get the video the way that you want it. At least that's what I think right now. I think it's really cool technology, and I'm going to play around with this a little bit more. But that is my first experience using text to video AI. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other AI tools that you've been using to create, be sure to leave it in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.